So you have to keep your all worldly distractions aside and be confident and just revise what you have done. Shouldn't go to new. There is nothing much I can tell, sir. All the faculties and you are excellent. So whatever strategy we follow is already from you for guiding me in proper way. It is just like a what do you say, sir? Haphazard ways. There are multiple ways to go to success, but the straightest and smoothest path is will always be there when you follow your teacher. So I would like to thank you and your speech faculty for this wonderful opportunity.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to you, to Dr. Sriram J for scoring rank number 19 AML in MCA Surgical Oncology Group, NEESS April 2026 session. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic and fabulous, and great to have you in this session today. And can we know your brief background history from where you started till date? What all you have done?
Sir, I have done my UG from basically from Andhra, sir. I've done my UG in Guntur Medical College. Later, I have done my PG in Bangalore Medical, ESSC Bangalore. I have completed my MS in 2025 November, sir. So this was my first attempt, and luckily I was able to clear it.
Very good, very good, very good.
Mm.
Wonderful. Great achievement. Doctor, why surgical oncology is your choice?
Sir, when I was when starting joining of my MS, my HOD asked me a question: Why you want to become a surgeon? Then I told him, sir, I feel surgeon is a complete physician or doctor. He can do treat the physical physician part, the medical mental disease and surgical part. So by the same way, during my MS period, my guide, Dr. Arvind sir, was a surgical oncologist. I used to work with him with surgical oncology cases in the very starting of my MS. So I realized that surgical oncology is the exact extension of general surgery with flexibility to operate anywhere in the body. And moreover, sir, the way we create an impact. Person, like suppose let us take in a hernia or any laparoscopic surgery, if we do, the morbidity and mortality is very negligible. But a surgical oncologist, you have to be very precise, and the knowledge you need to have regarding this pre-operative planning, the anatomy, you should know everything, sir. So that what interested me. That is very stimulating intellectually, and the way we follow up the patients, everything, every part of it excites me, sir. So I decided from the very starting of the MS, I want only surgical oncology.
Great, great, great. Fantastic, doctor. Now, once you decided to do so, what was your working strategy and to get this success?
I have to thank my family, sir, my parents, my grandparents, my uncle, and my brother, and all supporting me extra when I have taken a decision to take a surgical oncology. Obviously, need the support of the family even during the preparation and all. So the moral support is handled by them. When I started preparation, I realized that the surgical oncology, and I want only INA, sir. So the preparation strategy is completely different. You need to know in depth of it. So like I've talked to a couple of my seniors, then I have taken speed apps, sir, and that I start videos. The first video I watched is in fact your video on thyroid, sir.
Okay.
Still I realized like yeah, just I was just fresh out of MS, now, sir. I saw the video and it's like you're teaching everything. You're just teaching the MCQs and showing the textbook answer and explanation. And also I just felt little kind of confusing and all. I like just too much and all. But later, once I started seeing the videos and Visha's videos and all, started doing MCQs, I got a clear idea. So to be like a surgical oncology, you need to be very precise, sir. Getting the classification and all, very minute things changes your answers. In several classification, very the size itself, it makes it from stage 3B to 3C like that, so and all. So my initial was like I completed all the videos, made a proper notes. Then I've started giving these things, subject tests and MCQs. Then later GTs. During the final phase, I was little startled because so much was there to cover. I couldn't cover everything on point, but somehow I picked it up again. I just went through what I have already seen through and your suggestions, sir. So always go through your GTs. You have one video on YouTube also, like what to do in the last 3 days and last 1 day also. Always go through your GT mistakes, which will be carry forward in your exam, which might be. So did that strategy, and this year paper was a little unconventional. So that's what I feel. November session I had given as a trial session. There it was straight away, whatever there straight away answer, straight away questions. This year it was on general oncology and all broader aspects. So to be frank, that videos and all the way we solve the MCQs, the explanations in that and all. So it helped me. It built a solid background on which where I can do MCQs. hardly some 3-4 questions made the difference between top 5 and top 20 and all those. But to be most of the questions were able to solve because the videos and the MCQs, what you do will build the backgrounds as strong, solid. Even though if you don't know the questions and all not, you'll be able to logically answer the questions. So that's what made a difference.
Very good, very good, excellent. So, what will be your advice?
The thing is, sir, you have to decide on whether you want INA or NEET. The preparation strategies are completely different. And once you start preparing, reading textbook, all textbooks, that several things, as Abiston, Schwartz, Bailey, and Love, each have their merits and disadvantages. You can't cover everything in one things. So I would like to say that to stick to your notes, do MCQs, GTs, and especially tables, sir. Even most of your MCQs, you do that. You show the tables and all. Even especially the thyroid, I told you, so that video also, how the TSH, T3, TS levels will be in the Bailey. That table is still even now I remember. So those all, if you have in your memory lane, then it will be very easy to recall and all. So that's how it is, sir. The preparation and especially during last, whatever and however good you are in the starting, the last 2 weeks are gonna matter. So you have to keep your all worldly distractions aside and be confident and just revise what you have done. Shouldn't go to new. There is nothing much I can tell, sir. All the faculties and you are excellent. So whatever strategy we follow is already from you. So if I had to add one thing, keep your notes clean, keep your GT's mistakes and all in a separate place where you can readily access it. And last 10 days or 2 weeks of preparation is very important. That's what decides you. 5 marks decides you in top 10. Or just almost like, sir, I believe and the top 30 or 40, whatever ranks I saw, it's hardly some 5 to 6 questions. That's what decided. That's how you get it. And anyway, interview is unpredictable, so do your theory best. That's the only hope you can get it.
Great, great. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank that helped you from day one till date in your career. You can use the platform to thank them.
Keeping that teaching apart, my family, my mother, my grandfather, my father, he was expired, but he's the one who told me to become a doctor. So I had to start from there. My father, my mother, my grandfather, my grandmother, and my uncle, my brother, everyone. So and without their support, you can't go. So at some point, you'll have a breakdown. That so it's a lot of too much to cover and all. So their moral support will definitely boost your preparation. And I have to start from them. Then I want to thank my teachers for guiding me in proper way. It is just like a what do you say, sir? Haphazard ways. There are multiple ways to go to success, but the straightest and smoothest path will always be there when you follow your teacher. So I would like to thank you and your speech faculty for this wonderful opportunity.
Excellent,
That's all.
excellent, excellent. Doctor, we once again wish to thank you and also congratulate you. Wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in MCH Surgical Oncology. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.